Hi guys, in this video we are working with AT commands using the ESP-01 module and adapter of this ESP-01 module. Let's start the video and proceed the AT command. I simply connect the ESP-01 module with my laptop on the USB port and just connect and confirm that is connected on COM9. After that I need to write in serial monitor 80 and coming back that is 80. Okay, next command is 80 plus rst, that means the restart the module. So this is restart. Now finding the UART configuration, so 80 plus UART and enter. The combination of UART is 15273. Okay, so this is the basic AT commands. I think you learned how this working, and we don't need to upload any code in this run the AT modes. Okay, if you like this video, please like, follow and subscribe.
If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe.